In this case, I want to start with finding the countries that participated in a given year, since it's a little bit more complicated than simply filtering our data by year. And once we see how to select the countries of interest, filtering the years should be quite easy. In order to find every country that has participated for a given year, we're going to go back to our aggregation functions that we've defined for use in our nested object. Here we can see we're in the aggYear function, which will get passed leaves. And if you remember, in this case, it's all of the games for a given year grouped. And after we compute what we've already found of the sum of the attendance and the coordinates to draw, we can simply group the teams together into an array to return in the end. D3 actually has a lot of great built-in data structures and functions to filter and transform data. In this case, we're going to be using D3's built-in set data structure, which functions just like other sets in math or other programming languages. It's a collection of distinct or unique objects. It has the property that if you add an element to a set that is already contained in it, it doesn't add a duplicate. Here we've initialized an empty set, which we can then iterate through our teams for a given year, adding them one at a time. To do this, we can use JavaScript's built-in forEach function called on our leaves array. ForEach is similar to map, except for instead of returning an array, as we did when we found our coordinates, it simply runs an accessor function and passes every element of our array one at a time. In this case, we're not actually returning anything from our forEach. We're only adding team 1 and team 2 to our set. And again, since the set automatically deduplicates anything, we don't have to worry about adding teams multiple times. The set takes care of that for us. So in the end, the set will represent a collection of unique teams for a given year. And to pass our teams to our return object, we call .values on the teams set, which turns the set of team names into an array that we can handle easily in the rest of our code. Now that we have the teams for a given year, let's go back to our update function and put all the pieces together.